Tired of washing clothes by hand? Still looking for that perfect washing solution? Well, here you are. Today, we're unboxing the ultimate budget washing machine just for you. Let's get into it. So, you get your washing machine in a box just like this, well packed and securely sealed. Let's take off the outer box. And there it is, your new helping buddy, safely seated inside over a thick thermocol pad for protection. Now, let me give you a full 360-degree view of this beauty. Right on top, you'll find the control panel with a clear timer display. Everything, from the wash cycle to the water level, is controlled right from here. Below that, we have the soft closing door, and that is one of the main USPs of this machine. Unlike older models, this door won't slam shut or fall hard on your hands. It closes slowly and smoothly every single time. Now, when you open this door for the first time, you'll find everything you need to get started tucked right inside. From the bottom shield and drainage pipe to the inlet hose, everything is packed and ready. They've also included the user manuals and the water valve components. It's a complete set, no extra trips to the hardware store needed. Taking a look inside, you'll find the detergent compartment right here at the front. And if you like that extra freshness, the softener compartment is tucked away right here on the side of the drum. Now it's time for a live demo. Let's see how this machine actually functions. First, take your clothes and place them inside the drum. Next, add your detergent and simply shut the door. Power the machine on, and now you can choose your washing cycle from the preset menu based on your fabric type. For this demo, I'm selecting a normal wash. Just set it to 1 and hit start. The machine now calculates the exact time needed based on the load you've added. From here, you can just sit back and relax. The machine takes care of everything else itself. And the best part, you don't have to keep checking on it. Once the cycle is complete, the machine will give you a clear alert to let you know your laundry is done. It's that simple, smart, efficient, and totally hands-free. Now, if you want more control, you don't always have to use the presets. You can actually create your own custom washing program. There are two main ways to do this. First, you can manually set the water level depending on your load. Second, you can choose exactly which functions to perform, whether you just want to wash, just rinse, or just spin. You can even combine them however you like. It's perfect for when you just need a quick spin dry or a double rinse for extra freshness. So, there you have it. From a massive pile of laundry to a fully automated, stress-free clean. Whether it's the Eco Bubble tech being gentle on your favorite clothes or that soft closing door keeping things safe and quiet, this Samsung 7kg model is a total game changer for anyone on a budget. If you're ready to stop scrubbing by hand and upgrade your lifestyle, I've left the link to this exact machine in the description below. If this video helped you decide, give it a thick thumbs up. And for more honest tech reviews and deep dives just like this, make sure to subscribe to UNBOX UNVEIL. Thanks for watching. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next reveal.